We have some very exciting news to share. We just launched our new affiliate program so that you can earn money sharing your favorite productivity tool. Our users have always been our biggest supporters, and we've loved seeing you share your YouTube videos, social posts, and blog articles talking about Reclaim. Now you can actually turn your referrals into revenue by taking just a few seconds to get your custom referral code. Once you have that set up, you can earn 25 cents on every new sign up that you refer, plus 25% commission on purchases for the first year. Plus, Reclaim is super easy to promote. People have already been talking about it online for years. In just 4 years, we've grown to 190 monthly active users across 30,000 companies and are getting 30,000 new subscriptions every month. It's super easy to get started, so let's walk through how you can sign up to be a Reclaim partner. To sign up as an affiliate partner, head to the affiliate page on the website or the Share Reclaim tab in the app. Enter your email to generate your custom link. From there, you can share your personal affiliate link on social media, in a video, blog post, to spread the word about Reclaim and refer signups. You can create your partner account from your verification email immediately, or wait until you're notified about reaching $5 in commissions. This profile is where you'll add your payment details so we can send you the money you earn, and where you can create other custom affiliate links if you want. You can also explore our resource library in your partner portal to access brand assets, videos, graphics, and more to use in your content. Check out the description below for direct links to become a partner and to learn more about Reclaim's affiliate program. We'd be super excited to have you as part of the Reclaim community as a partner.